A judge in Wisconsin just had a trial start, and it's a federal trial for basically obstruction of justice, obstruction of ICE. And so the backstory on this is this judge has this person in the courtroom, and the person is alleged to be illegal and has a prior criminal history. And the way it is in Wisconsin is that the ICE is Immigration and Customs Enforcement. They're not allowed to enter any of the non-public areas of the courthouse to execute, arrests, deportations, whatever. So the judge apparently knew that there were ICE agents in the common areas, the public areas, basically waiting for this gentleman to finish his hearing. And when he left, he was going to be apprehended. So the judge apparently pulled his attorney aside and gave instructions on how to get him out of the courtroom and out of the courthouse by using the jury entrance, a non-public area, and did so. So the federal government said, you just obstructed our practice. You obstructed us from basically doing our job. So they filed criminal charges against the judge. And the judge is trying to say, well, I have immunity. Well, the problem with that is that judges do have immunity. It's called civil immunity. You can't be sued for the decisions you make as a judge because we want judges to act freely, impartially, and not out of fear. But you can absolutely be charged criminally. And in this case, there is no shield for this judge for what she did in basically aiding and abetting somebody to hide from Immigration and Customs Enforcement. So this defense of immunity is not going to happen. It's not going to work. And it's really going to come down to what did the judge know and what was her intent. Seems pretty clear what the intent was, but anything can happen at a trial. The actual evidence that gets presented to the jury can be different than what we hear in the media. So we'll see how it plays out, but I think the judge is in big trouble.